Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to repair a corrupted user profile in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to repair any of your corrupted user profile, so let's see how we can do that. You can do this very easily. You just have to simply click on this start button and then you have to search for CMD. Then right click on it and then click on run as administrator. You can also use PowerShell for these builders, or you can also use Terminal app, which one you want to. So the very first thing, you just have to enter a command, which is sfc space then / scan now. So just enter this first command. I'm gonna copy and paste it here. So it might take some moments or it might take several minutes to verify all of your system files. So you just have to wait for it until it's complete 100%. And once it's has been done, you just have to enter the second command, which is dism, then space, then / online, then space / clean up, then dash image, then space and / restore health. So I'm gonna copy this from here. After copying, just paste it and just click enter. So it might also take some moments to load, so it will completely reset or restore PC's health. So you just have to wait for several minutes here, and once it has been done, you might get the this type of interface again. So you just have to try to restart your PC, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.